Tengo la camisa negra. Hi guys, I've been taking ice bath for 3 months now. It's kind of challenge to myself. I gave my family my word and I've been doing this 3 months. In winter, the ice is natural, no need to buy it. And I want to stay strong, energetic and healthy. To be honest, I am still not used to the cold. Every time feels like the first. It's hard to get used to. When I skip days, it's hard to justify it to my family. Sometimes I feel lazy, but I try not to give up. My family watches me. They are witnesses to this process, witnesses to both my progress and my weaknesses. I am not expecting instant miracles. I am aiming for discipline, consistency, and small victories over myself. Stress leaving my body, calmness, a pleasant feeling in my muscles, and the joy of small victory over myself. I share this honestly without exaggeration. I keep a diary and show the real process. Let's go through this journey together. Let's get stronger and achieve victories together. Support me with a like, subscribe, and follow my journey. Thank you so much. Здесь, и вот снегом вот так накрываешь, так, и потом сам ложишься и снегом вот так накрываешься и поешь песенку.
Еще кружить как
Tengo la
хлеб.
camisa negra, hoy mi amor
Папа, кружись
está
как
de
хлеб.
luto.